Hey guys, welcome back to Sipping with Suze. Today we're going to make an incredible French 75 with a little twist. So we're going to start with our Green Owl green tea vodka. Very delicious, obviously. Really has a nice, flavorful matcha scent and taste. Really, really nice. And it's really going to do something special with our French 75. So we're going to plop 1 ounce of our Green Owl vodka into our shaker. Then we're going to juice half a lemon. It's always better to do fresh ingredients instead of, anything you'd get from the grocery store, pre-juiced. Just adds that little extra something special into your cocktail. So half a lemon should be about half an ounce. We're just going to measure that to be sure. Perfect. It's got some seeds in there. Don't worry, we're going to strain that out at the end. Next, we're going to add some ice. Really good. Make sure it's very cold. That's the beauty of any cocktail. You want it to be extremely cold, very refreshing. We're going to add a small amount of our agave syrup, about 1/4 ounce. Agave syrup is a lot sweeter than other sugary syrups, but I love it because it's all natural. Gives it that nice kind of warm flavor. And now we're going to shake. Strain it in here. Last thing, we're going to add a little Prosecco. I have these little bottles here. I love to use them. Wait for that to top off, and we can bubble it up again. It's going to be about 4 to 5 ounces, depending on how large your champagne flute is. And now we're going to garnish it, the fun part. So today we're going to use a kind of more of a festive feel to it. So I'm going to use some frozen cranberries and some rosemary. So we're going to have 3 cranberries on a skewer. You can use frozen or fresh, doesn't matter. It's going to look super cute like that, and just plop it in. Just going to add a little rosemary and plop that in as well. And you have a beautiful, refreshing, delicious, and festive cocktail. Cheers, guys.